For many of us, having greasy hands is just a way of life, but in this video I'm going to show you a simple trick to get them clean almost instantly without using any type of chemical, no WD-40, no pumice soap, just a simple way to get the job done that you'll wish you knew about sooner. And whether you work on your own car or truck, lawnmowers, or any kind of machinery, grease is always there and it's going to get on your skin. And this trick works for anything sticky. That can be sap, tar, anything that gets on your skin that you want to remove. We'll start this test with the toughest grease on the market. This is Castrol Pyroplex Blue. It's one of the most water-resistant and tackiest greases you can buy. And to show you how strong this stuff is, I tried to wash it off with soap and water, and it did spread it around a little bit more, but you can see it did nothing to remove the grease. Now for the secret ingredient you've already got in your kitchen, just grab any type of olive oil or vegetable oil, put it onto a paper napkin and start to rub it into your hands. You'll see that almost instantly the grease begins to break down. Now the napkin is helping the job along, but in under 30 seconds your hands will be clean. Now remember, I had a ton of grease on there, and if you've got any more to get off, just put a little bit more oil, wipe your hands off again, and you will get every bit of grease off your hands. Now the benefit is you've already got oil in your house, and you don't need to use any type of chemical cleaners that are going to harm your skin. And in fact, when you're done, your hands will probably be better off than when you started your work. But this trick isn't just limited to your hands. You can even get your carpeting or your floor mats clean. Now if you've ever walked in the house and tracked in grease, that can be a recipe for a disaster and one of the hardest things to get out. So here we're going to take some dirty grease and mat it into this rug, and you can see how bad this stain is. And just like cleaning your hands, you can get rid of the stain in under 30 seconds. But you want to make one adjustment. Using a paper napkin won't work because it'll just fall apart. So take that same type of oil along with a towel or some type of a microfiber cloth, dip it in the oil and start rubbing the stain. Now you might think that you're rubbing that stain deeper in the rug, but that won't happen at all. You're going to break that grease apart and you'll see it will adhere completely to the towel. And in under 30 seconds you can get a stain like this out of a rug, floor mat. I've used this trick for years and I'm always amazed at how well it actually works. So next time you've got a stain, whether it's grease, sap, or something sticky you want to remove, give this trick a try, and it's easy because you've always got one of these products in the house. Now I also showed you peanut butter at the beginning of the video, and you can use natural peanut butter because it has a lot of oil in it. But normally you're going to want to use an olive oil or a vegetable oil for the very best results. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos coming up.